I'm not scared of lions and tigers and bears, but I'm scared of loving. I'm not scared to perform at a sold out affairs, but I'm scared of loving. Am I the only one who thinks it's an impossible task? Why it don't last? Is that too much?
Guys, welcome back to my channel. So this unit is from Sam's Beauty, and as you guys can see, it's in the style Lyna and the color TT623. The lace on here is not a 4x4 closure, but you do get a little lace from ear to ear and also a lace down the middle for parting. The wig comes with 2 combs on the side, and like I said, you get a strip of parting down the middle. So I do have a detailed video on how I adhere my wigs and how I customize it to my head, and I will link that video down in the description box because it is in more detail. In this video, I'm kind of going really fast as far as showing you how I laid and styled my wig. But nonetheless, I really like this wig so much. It's so flowy, bouncy. The color is amazing. It's not too bold. And yeah. Alright, so I just wanted to come on here and give my final thoughts on the hair. This unit again is from samsbeauty.com, so all of the information as well as the links will be in the description box as well. Super cute. I am super feeling this. I don't really do the units that are not 4x4 closures, because this is not a 4x4 closure. It only has one little lace where you can do your part, but I really like how this looks, even like flipping it over like this. The only con that I really have about this hair is the fact that I really tried to lay my baby hairs down. Like, I tried to make some baby hairs and lay it down, and it was so hard. Like, the hair just refuses to lay down. Like, I had to use so much Got2b glue just to get the hair to semi-lay down, so that was a little bit frustrating. You don't get really any tangling at all because the hair is so short. I really like this one. Like, I am feeling this one. Like, this is so classy. This is how the hair comes fresh out of the pack. No customization besides putting baby hairs. I did not do any extra cutting, layering, none of that. So this unit really comes pretty much ready to go, ready to wear. Again, I don't know what else to say. This is pretty much it on this hair. Oh my gosh, I think probably if you want to wear the hair to the side like I'm doing, you're probably best off like cutting some bangs, but I don't plan on wearing this hair to the side just because it doesn't have like a defined part, so it'll kind of look weird. But I do, for the sake of pictures and videos, love how this hair looks to the side, so that's why I'm rocking it to the side right now. This is such a safe blonde. You can get away with wearing this at work as well, so I highly recommend this particular unit. Once again, all of the information will be in the description box below, so you guys can go click on that and get this unit. I feel like I've been looking at my mirror the whole time, and if I have, it's just because I'm feeling myself, and y'all know how I get when I feel myself. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video.